We're diving into something super cool, deepfake face swapping in videos.
I saw that in the Nickelodeon.
Hey everyone, welcome back to App Insight AI. Today, we're diving into something super cool, deepfake face swapping in videos. This technology has been taking the internet by storm, and in this video, I'll show you how you can create your own deepfake videos using some amazing tools. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, check out this deepfake video I created. Pretty wild, right? Hey everyone, welcome back to App Insight AI. Today, we're diving into something super cool, deepfake face swapping in videos.
I saw that in the Nickelodeon once and I always wanted.
Looks realistic, doesn't it? Now, let's learn how to do that step by step using different tools. But remember, these tutorials are for educational purposes only, so use them responsibly and always respect other people's privacy. Before we jump in, a quick note: deepfake technology is incredibly powerful, but it comes with responsibilities. Always use these tools in a positive and creative way. Misuse can cause harm, whether it's damaging someone's reputation or spreading false information. Not only is it unethical, but there can also be serious legal consequences. So, let's use this for fun and not to hurt anyone. Let's start with Acool.com. This platform is perfect for anyone who wants to dive into deepfake creation quickly and easily. The best part? They give you some free credits to test things out before you have to pay, so you can start experimenting right away without any costs. Visit Acool.com, sign up with your email or social account, and you're ready to go. Click on the face swap option and upload your video. Then upload the face you want to swap. The AI will process everything, and in just a few moments, your deepfake will be ready. Now, once your video is ready, you can export it. And let's take a look at what I created using Acool.com. Pretty seamless, right? Once you're happy with it, just hit download and you're all set. Acool.com is straightforward and beginner-friendly, and with those free credits, you can get started without any cost at all. Next up, we have FaceSwapper.ai. This tool is great for both image and video face swapping. And guess what? They also offer some free credits when you sign up, so you can try it out without paying up front. Head to FaceSwapper.ai, create your account, and you'll get some free credits right off the bat. Upload your video and the face you want to swap in. The interface is super clean, and the process is fast. The system processes the video in under a minute and shows a preview. You can even tweak the blending settings to make it look more realistic. Once the deepfake is ready, let's export it and see how the final product turned out. Looks awesome, right? FaceSwapper.ai is super quick, and those free credits give you a chance to experiment without any commitment. Definitely a great option for people who want fast results. Now, let's move on to Remaker.ai. This tool is a bit more advanced, but it offers tons of customization options if you're looking to create a more polished deepfake. And yes, you also get free credits when you sign up. Head to Remaker.ai, create an account, and you'll get access to free credits right away. Upload the video you want to edit and the face you want to swap in. Remaker.ai offers more advanced controls like face alignment and skin tone matching, so you can fine-tune the look. Once you're happy, it's time to export. Let's check out the final result from Remaker.ai. Hey everyone, welcome back to App Insight AI. Today, we're diving into something super cool, deepfake face swapping in videos. Remaker.ai gives you way more control over the details, making it perfect for anyone looking to create more professional-looking deepfakes. And the free credits are a nice bonus to get started. For all the tech enthusiasts out there, we've got Face Fusion Collab. This is a bit more hands-on and requires some knowledge of Google Collab. But don't worry, I'll walk you through it. Plus, this option is completely free. Use the link in the description to open the Face Fusion notebook in Google Collab. Follow the steps in the notebook to upload your videos and faces. It's a little more technical, but the results are worth it. This tool gives you even more control over the fine details, and you can adjust things frame by frame. Once it's done processing, let's export the video and check it out. Face Fusion Collab is great for those of you who want full control and don't mind a bit of coding. Plus, it's free to use with no credit limits. Finally, we have FaceMagic.net. This tool is perfect if you want something quick, easy, and fun. They also offer free credits when you sign up, so you can test it out without paying. Go to facemagic.net and sign up with your email. It's really simple, and you'll get those free credits right away. Upload your video and select the face to swap in. The interface is super straightforward, and the AI does all the heavy lifting. The process is mostly automated, making it perfect for people who want fast results without diving too deep into settings. Let's export the video and take a look at what we've created.
I saw that in the Nickelodeon once and I always wanted.
Facemagic.net is fantastic for quick, easy face swaps. The free credits let you try it out, and the results are impressive given how simple the tool is. So, which tool should you choose? Honestly, it depends on what you're looking for. If you want quick results, FaceSwapper.ai and FaceMagic.net are fantastic. If you're after more control and customization, Remaker.ai and FaceFusion Collab are great options. And of course, Acool.com is perfect for beginners. Each of these tools offers free credits, so you can test them out without any cost. Links to all the tools are in the description below, along with affiliate links if you want to support the channel. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to App Insight AI, and leave a comment letting me know which tool you liked best. Thanks for watching.